Today we're preparing 50 planting holes for 50 trees that'll be put in the ground shortly. We have 50 trees that are in commemoration of the 50th anniversary of the Tree Commission. So the preparation of the planting holes is meant to improve the structure of the soils so we get those pore spaces back into the ground. We have a fairly sunny area here, which is a nice ellipse, but we want to introduce shade so that people are more comfortable walking around the ellipse. And this allows them to enjoy the space, to enjoy the aesthetics. We'll be planting native trees, including oaks and elms and linden and black gum. It will help to increase the biodiversity of this area.
Today we're here to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the Tree Commission. So this ceremony is really the pinnacle of this planting effort, 50 trees for 50 years at the Tree Commission. We actually had 49 of the trees installed last week, and so the 50th tree was used as a ceremonial tree. And so the nice thing about this is this project has been in the books for a couple years now, and it's really part of a bigger effort by Fairfax County government to implement the natural landscape policies approved by the Board of Supervisors.